D2DNY, Real World HVAC Simplified. And now I'm going to show you how to gain access to your Honeywell Vision Pro's 8000 series. That's your Honeywell Vision Pro 8000 series thermostat. How to gain access to the installer menu once you're hit with this screen, once you're faced with this screen trying to get into the menu. So here's how you do that. Cancel and scroll down. Go down to look for equipment status. All right. So you selecting that, you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you see that date code, that's your password. So again, if you're locked out, if you're stuck and you can't get into the installer menu, that's how you do it. So let me do it over again. So go back to the home screen, right? So now you want to go into you have your thermostat here, and you want to go into your installer setup, and you want to change some settings, and you can't do it. This is the Honeywell 8000 series Vision Pro thermostat, the red link version, touchscreen and all. So you go to press the so this is telling me that my indoor sensor battery is low. So screw that. I'm not trying to do that right now. But let's go into the menu, and we scroll down. We're trying to get into the setup menu, and we go down and we select that, ask for password. Now remember, I'm gonna show you how to get the password if you don't know it, right? So we're gonna just cancel that, and you're gonna scroll back up to equipment status. Right there, select, scroll all the way down to the bottom, 1845, the date code, that's your password. So let's do that. Let's go back in here, scroll down to installer options, select 1845, right? So go up, over, 1845, right? So hit done. So now we're in. So let's select installer setup. All right, so now we're in commercial, residential. So this is commercial. Thermostat name, you can change your thermostat name, you have different options. All right, so I'm just gonna leave this at thermostat. So whatever I'm gonna do here, I won't save it anyways. But I'm just gonna show you what you have. You can, name it whatever you want, whatever option is available for you. If it suits the location where you have your thermostat. Go next, you can make it programmable, non-programmable, right? Say programmable, non-programmable. You can go Fahrenheit. If you make it programmable, it's gonna ask you how many schedule per day on the line. So I'm gonna leave it just so you could see. Outdoor sensor, heating system. This one is only set up for cooling, but you can change it conventional, forced air, heat pump. All the options are here. You have access to it. Whatever you want, you leave it on that, and then you hit next. Cooling, number of cooling stages. You can, this is a 2-stage thermostat. So you can go, actually 3 stages of cooling, okay? So, all right, so next, radiant heat, radiant heat stages or radiant stages. This means, because we selected radiant heat, so how many stages of heat? And you can put a number as well. Economizer, wait, I skip a couple of things. Backup heat type, none. And yeah, so you have everything here, guys. So you're in there. So once you're done, I can hit done. Do you want to exit installer setup? I could say no. I could keep on going, right? Compressor cycle times. And if you want to do if you want me to do a detailed video on this, just leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll do it. But this is just to show you how to get in here if you were locked out, right? How to access the menu, the setup menu. All right, so I'm gonna hit just done. I'm gonna say yes. Do you want to save changes? Hells no. I did a bunch of crap in the settings. Save changes? No. Okay, so go back to my home screen. I have to go change the sensor in my red link. Also, I'm gonna show you that I have one sensor connected to it. So go in the menu, go into, there is, should be, where is it? Is it here? No, I don't think so, no. But you have to go into, I guess I gotta go back into the menu. View more information. Telling you to replace your battery in the wireless red link sensor. But I guess when we go in here, we go back into installer. Wait a minute, is it in preferences? No. Reminders, etc. That's what's in there. All right, let's go back. So installer, 1845. I just want to look at that sensor real quick through the red link setup. I know it's here somewhere, so done. Okay. Wireless manager, there it is. So that's where you see your connected device. Select. Oh, I have a gateway in this one. Oh, I forgot, there's a gateway in here. And there's an indoor sensor. All right, so there you go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you hadn't subscribed, subscribe. Videos uploaded on a weekly basis.